Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix a we are sorry but something went wrong. Please try again in Instagram Reels. For example, if you try to scroll your Reels on your Instagram, and after that you see this kind of error. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to watch this video completely. So first of all, you have to simply close this page and you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some second, and after that you have to simply turn it off again. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to simply go to general. So in general, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer and reset iPhone, and here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to general again, and this time you have to go to iPhone storage, and after that you have to find the Instagram app, and here you have to simply click on offload app. And after offloading the app, there will be option available to reinstall the app, so you have to reinstall the app again, and you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you have to simply go to the app store. Here in app store you have to simply search for the Instagram app, and you have to check whether you have install the latest version of the Instagram app or not. If it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Instagram app, and after updating, hope your error will be solved. And after that, you have to simply close the all apps you are facing. So you have to simply close the all app. You have to simply open the Instagram app again, and you have to click on Reels, and after that your problem will be solved. So hope you have liked this video. When you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.